Hi, how are you today? We have two circuits in this box here. They're on two separate circuits, and I'm going to show you how to hook them up to one outlet. Okay, so first we will strip our wires, took our outlet up. We have a black and a white from each circuit. Okay, this is one circuit, and this down here is going to be the other half of the outlet. Okay, so now I'm going to go turn the circuit on, and I'm going to show you something. This is a multimeter, and here in the country I'm born in, we use 120 volts for our small appliances and our light and our things like that. Okay, and we also have 240, and it is a split when it comes into the house, two legs of 120, so that the larger appliances can use the 220, 240, like your stove and your electric dryer. Now with the electric dryer, part of the dryer is 110 or 120. It's the motor and the light. Same with the electric stove. The light inside the oven is 120, and also the clock, if there's a clock. And that's running on one hot wire to the neutral. So let's look at what we have here. We have 120. We have 120. Now we're going to look between the two hot wires. We have nothing. So we have two circuits in this box here, and we're going to have two separate neutrals, one neutral for each circuit. So in this case, the two circuits can be on the same leg of the 240. So we're going to turn the breaker off, and we're going to hook our outlet up, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we'll start with our ground wires here. We will take them, we'll twist them together, and we'll leave one longer than the others. When you twist them, you want to make sure you don't catch a wire in the cutter, because you'll cut the wire, nick into it, and you'll weaken it. So you want to okay, then you take a crimp sleeve. This is a crimper, and I'll put the crimp sleeve in the put the crimp in the crimp sleeve, so it looks like that. Slide it over, bring it up so that the shorter one is even, and you just squeeze it. Now on your outlet, you'll see the tabs here on this side, and on this side. We will be breaking them out. We'll be keeping these two circuits totally isolated from each other. They're both protected by two different circuit breakers. We have to keep them totally separate. And they also have a separate neutral, so we have to keep them totally separate. So we'll hook our ground wire up to the green screw. That's how the ground is hooked up. Now we'll hook our white wire from this circuit to the silver screw on the bottom. And we'll hook our black wire from this same circuit to the screw directly opposite. So you're on the live is on the same side, the same neutral. So we keep our two circuits with their own neutral. Okay, now this is the other circuit. We're going to bring our other live wire down. And the white wire that's with this circuit, we're going to keep on the same half of the outlet. And that. Okay, so I'll bring the camera up close so you can take a closer look at it. See how the black and the white from each circuit is kept on its own half of the outlet? So that is how to wire a outlet that has two separate circuits in it, and both circuits happen to be on the same leg of the 240, and each circuit has its own neutral, and both circuits are totally isolated on the outlet by removing the tab between the set of screws, both on the live and the neutral. Thanks. Peace. And the other thing I wanted to tell you about, here in the country I'm born in, we use black and white on on most of your outlets, and the black wire is live, the white is neutral, and the bare wire is obviously the ground. And with MC cable or conduit, green would be the ground. So your live colors is red, black, blue, and your neutral color is white. And on your 480 277, it's brown, orange, yellow, and gray is the neutral. And those two three-phase systems are used in commercial buildings. But sometimes you may find black, red, and blue on a 480 277. So you always want to check with a meter before working on a circuit.